Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the Vue CLI. Okay, so creating your first Vue app using the Vue CLI. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the Vue CLI. So first you have to install the globally Vue CLI. So this is the command. Okay, already I have installed, so I don't require to install this. So first install this one. To create a new Vue project, what we have to do? Vue create my Vue app. So just copy this and go to your any kind of project. Currently I have this one. So Vue JS, I'm going to open this via terminal, any folder, and just paste this command. So my Vue app, I think it should not be there. My Vue app, it's there, already exist, right? Control X this. So it's already there. So I will add Vue tutorial, my Vue tutorial. Okay, enter this. Okay, first it asking for the Vue 3 and the Vue 2. I will go with the Vue 3. Okay, initializing the project over here. So it will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes to complete this. Now it's almost done. Okay, installing the additional dependencies. It takes hardly 1 second or more, almost done. So cd my tutorials. Okay, copy paste this. Okay, and npm run serve. Npm run serve you can run. Okay, and this will start your development server. Okay, so these are the network IP and this is your local host. Just copy and open the link. You can see welcome to the Vue.js. Okay, install CLI plugins, essential links and ecosystem. So first Vue project we have successfully set up. Okay, and let's learn something. Vue CLI simplifies the various tasks like adding a new components, managing dependencies, and the building for the production. Use npm run build to build the production versions of your app when you are ready to deploy it. Vue CLI offers a streamlined way to create and manage the Vue projects. It is highly recommended for the larger projects or when working collaboratively due to its powerful features and the project scaffolding capabilities. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.